The health department today reported 836 new cases and 12 new deaths. Well, there are already more COVID-related deaths in the first 11 days of September than from all of last month. The number of deaths is overwhelming morgues, and officials say the death count is going to get higher. Nikki Schenfeld explains in a story that's new at 10.
Hawaii still has the lowest fatality rate in the country, but deaths are quickly rising and young people are dying. In August, there were 52 COVID-related deaths statewide. The majority were 50 years and older, 7 were in their 30s and 40s. September is off to a grim start, with 63 COVID-related deaths in just 11 days. The youngest was a man in his 20s. 6 others in their 30s have also died. 30 of September's deaths were in their 50s and 60s, and 22 were over the age of 70. Lieutenant Governor Green says the uptick is due to the huge surge in cases.
You know, the greater challenge, too, is we had 84 people in the intensive care unit and 72 people on ventilators. So about 50% of each of the people on a ventilator end up passing away. So we can expect about 30 to 40 fatalities in the next, 10 days to 2 weeks.
As of September 9th, there were 136 COVID patients hospitalized within Queens Health Systems. All 34 COVID ICU patients and all 33 on ventilators were unvaccinated. Green says as of Saturday, there were 393 COVID patients hospitalized.
We are now seeing the hospital numbers begin to drift down, although part of it is heartbreak because, people are passing away. It's very tough times, and so everyone's working overtime, including mortuary services. The best thing we can do is make that choice to get vaccinated or ask our loved ones and friends to get vaccinated.
The city's medical examiner's office is overwhelmed. The city says the morgue can hold up to 60 bodies, and 50 bodies can be stored in one of its mobile trailers. Right now, only one is in use.
Really just at the pace we're going, we will definitely need that second trailer in the next week or two would be my best guess.
Not only are more cases coming in, she says more family members are being held until proper arrangements can be made.
If somebody is COVID positive, their families are probably under quarantine and not able to go to the funeral home to make arrangements, or due to the restrictions in place, they're just not wanting to make those arrangements until a time where they can have a true celebration with everybody who cared about that person.
FEMA has funeral arrangement reimbursements if the death is COVID related, but reimbursements require a death certificate.
In order to get a death certificate, a family has to have a funeral.
Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.